The Sound of Barra is home to the west coast of Scotland's only resident population of bottlenose dolphins. For example, here in the Drover Channel, north of Fuji, ideal conditions and a good supply of fish make this one of the few places in Britain where you can reliably see these iconic animals. Although we still know very little about these bottlenose dolphins, we estimate that a population of approximately 15 animals live in the area permanently. It is possible by comparing photographs showing the unique markings on each animal's dorsal fin to distinguish individuals and recognise them from one season to another. All dolphins rely heavily on sound to find their prey, to navigate and to communicate with the rest of their group. Bottlenose dolphins develop a unique and recognisable signature whistle from an early age, which they use to identify themselves to other pod members. Being very social animals, this behaviour is thought to be important for reinforcing the strong bond between members of the pod. The higher frequency clicks are used primarily for echolocation. By producing a burst of sound and waiting for it to be deflected back, the dolphin can build up a mental picture of the size, shape, distance and direction of different objects underwater. They can also communicate that picture to others. This is especially useful in helping them to hunt their preferred prey, fish such as pollock, mackerel or perhaps a flounder hiding in the sand. The Scottish Marine Wildlife Watching Code provides some great advice for anyone wishing to view dolphins or other marine mammals safely. On calm days, try scanning the water surface from a headland or boat, and you might just be rewarded with a sighting.